nandito na kami sa Clark International Airport. Anong klaseng hi? Hi guys, girls, people of the world. My name's Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hello, my name is Alyssa. As I said earlier, I am a 22-year-old low-key vlogger from here sa Nueva Ecija. I am currently ABS accountancy student, so most of my content is featuring my time in school, while others is featuring time with my family and friends. So ayan, kamusta kayo ulit? I hope na ma-enjoy nyo ang panonood dito sa aking video na ito. Alright, so today is March 22, 2024. It's Friday, and after a long week of exams, drills, quizzes, meron tayong time na medyo mag-relax, although may review kami for RFBT. Pero besides that, we basically have nothing. Although tomorrow din pala, meron din akong Paragon. So I have to kind of study a little bit for that dahil tomorrow ay meron kami ng examinations or parang mock boards wherein we're gonna take exams for all of the subjects na tinitake sa board exam. Not really pressuring myself na ma-perfect lahat ng exams, but I still hope I do well and maging mas confident ako sa pagtitake ng mga examinations na yan. So right now, I'm here lang sa labas. I am waiting for my turn na magpa-car wash kasi medyo matagal lang hindi nakakatikim ng car wash itong aming Vios named Abu. So Abu yung name niya. I wanna take care of it since may time naman ako ngayon. And also tomorrow, mom and dad will be arriving from Dubai. So they're traveling to come here dahil isa-celebrate nila ang kanilang 25th anniversary. And we're very excited to see them. And gusto ko naman na pag nakita nila itong car na to ay maging happy naman sila na mali na siya and all that. So that's the errand I'm currently running. And also kanina, bumili na ako ng LC Cake Frost na cappuccino milkshake ba tawag nila? I'm not sure. Diba? So cute. And it's very tasty kasi nga mahilig ako sa coffee. So it's the nearest one sa iced coffee. So para siyang mix ng iced coffee, milkshake, and ng milk tea. Kasi meron din siyang boba sa ilalim. I'm also with Kat Leia. Come here, baby. With my little one, who's not so little. She looks kind of rusty, crusty, and musty because hindi pa siya nagpapagroom. And supposedly, papagroom ko siya right now or today, kanina. Kaso wala daw yung nag-groom dun sa vet na pinupuntahan namin. Which is sad, but it's fine. Hintay ko na lang matapos yung isang car. Parang halfway through naman na ata si kuya. We're gonna have a good rest day. A good time to relax after this very stressful week talaga. So yes, I'll see you guys again in a bit. Hi! Kuya Rai, say hi to the vlog. Kuya. Oh my gosh. Hello guys! So it's currently 10:57 PM na. So kanina nagpunta kami nila Lola, ni Ate Maris at saka ni Lavinia sa senior high school gym dito sa amin sa General Tino kasi hinold yung concert, parang fundraising concert ng United Methodist Church na Genesis here. Yung lola ko tsaka yung pinsan ko, member sila doon. So, ayun, nakisaya rin ako, nanood ako ng concert. And grabe, sobrang ganda ng mga performances nila. Sobrang ganda ng mga songs, yung lineup ng songs ang ganda. And yung mga performances in itself, grabe talaga yung talent nila. So, hopefully ay magpatuloy sila sa paggamit ng mga talents nila to spread the word of God. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this part of the video and that you continue to watch kung ano bang mga ganap ko in the next few days. So, ayan. Bye-bye guys! Good night! Hello guys! Good morning! So, today is March 23 It's the arrival date ng aking mga parents, and it is also the examination date para sa Paragons. Hello besties! So magandang hapon. Right now it's already 4:27 PM and nandito kami sa car. We're currently in traffic dito sa Santa Rosa kasi ginagawa yung bridge papunta saan, Lola?
Ay, hindi.
Sa may Zaragoza side. Basta doon, papuntang SCTEX. We hope na maging speedy naman ang aming pag-transport dito sa traffic. Pero mukhang hindi kasi ang tagal talaga, boss. Pero yun. We might be here for a bit and then mamaya tuloy-tuloy naman na hopefully maliban sa traffic sa mga bayan-bayan ng mga different towns na madadaanan namin. Pero yes, we're praying and hoping for a safe trip. Right, Lola?
Right. Yeah.
Are you so excited to see Mommy and Daddy?
Okay, later.
Okay, bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Hi besties! Nandito na kami sa Clark International Airport, Pampanga. Ayan, hinihintay lang namin sila Mommy tumawag para i-pick up namin sila dun sa may entrance. Sunod ko yung status ng flight nila, naka-arrive naman na sila sa Clark. So siguro mga 1 hour pa sila bago makalabas. Kami ni may Lola ay nagbabonding. This is our review while we wait. Napaka-aesthetic naman namin. Pero yon, sana makalabas na rin sila soon kasi nagugutom na ako. Tapos mag-eat muna kami ng dinner before we move. Going to where, Lola?
Where? Ewan ko sa'yo.
Papaya! Hello guys! So, nandito na naman tayo sa ating carlet. So, we're here in Abu and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after seeing Mom and Dad the other day nung pinick up namin sila kasi medyo hectic since ako nga rin yung nagda-drive. So, I couldn't really take the time to whip up the camera and all that. Pero nag-choking lang kami nun and then we went home na rin and then we spent time with Ate Maris and the kids. Pero right now, nandito ako sa venue. Kung nakita nyo may little sneak peek ng magiging anniversary dinner nila Mom. So, ayun, nagsiset up na sila. Tiningnan ko lang kung ano yung itsura. And everything looks good. Siyempre, art keeps yan. So, palaging maganda yan. And nakakatuwa na na-incorporate naman yung mga details na sinabi ko rin. Like yung mga flowers, ganun, garden vibes. Since yung unang wedding nga nila Mom is garden. So, sabi ko, parang maganda rin na ganun nga rin yung maging vibe. And, ayun, so they're just setting up. The event starts at 5 PM. We have to come here ng mga 3:30 to 4. Dahil dun din yung time na papasok na yung mga guests and darating yung mga bisita namin. So, yun. Kanina, nag-errands lang din ako. Bumili ako ng candle nila Mom, gift bags para sa mga ipibigay sa mga pastor. Then, bumili ako ng Yakult for sustenance. And kanina, nagpa-print din ako ng program and parang card nila for pictures din ng mga tao kung gusto rin nila ng safekeeping. Yun nga, meron din silang ganun. Anyhow, so yun ang mga ganap natin. Later, mag-aayos na rin ako. We got our nails done yesterday. Pinapunta namin si Miss Reina. Ayan ang aking nails. It's just lavender tips with a pretty base. So, ayan, I really love it. And it's gonna look good with my dress later. Because I will also be hosting the event nila Mom. So, I'm very excited for that. Ayun lang naman. I hope you guys have a great time whenever you're watching this video. Bye!
Hello, madam people.
Hello guys, gumagana ba yung mic ko?
Hi guys, kasama natin ngayon si Miss Miss ILC. Natalie, yan o. Ay ka naman sa vlog ko. Okay. Pakilala ka, sino ka? Pakilala ka dali. Ay, mahihain naman pala. Hello si Rap Rap. Hey, Rap Rap. May babay na.
Hello guys, nandito po tayo sa spiritual retreat at nagpapaalam tayo kay Jack Diana at kay Pastor Gina. Show them, show them. Ayan, magsasalita na si Pastor Ramil. Si Jack Eb na naiyak pa. Si Jack Eb na naiyak pa siya ng onte. Anong gusto mong sabihin, Ate Lorna?
May sound ba eh? Hi.
Hi lang daw. Anong klaseng hi? So yun, mamaya na lang ulit. Bye guys.